Okay, welcome back to my channel. You guys can tell from the title, I'm back with another Amazon hair review. Quick little disclaimer, this unit I actually did not purchase myself. This particular hair company did reach out to me and they sent me this unit, so this video is sponsored. If you guys haven't seen my last Amazon video, I'll go ahead and link that down below, but unfortunately I'm still waiting for the link to that hair to be updated. So basically all of my Amazon hair videos that I have done thus far, I will go ahead and link them in my description box. I don't want to butcher the name of this particular hair company on Amazon, so I'm going to put it here on the screen for you guys, but I believe it's pronounced Parish Moda, if I'm not mistaken. They sent me a 32-inch 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It is in the straight texture, of course. Density on it is 180% density. I believe this unit just kind of comes in a standard cap size because they didn't ask me to choose a wig size, and I don't think I remember seeing that once I went back to check the link. So it should fit anyone who wears it if you do plan on buying it, but I just want to go ahead and get into a little bit of the pros and cons with this unit and what my initial thoughts and opinions are about it. Go ahead and start with the customization process. One thing that I wasn't too crazy about with this unit is that it has really stubborn knots. I bleached the knots on this wig twice. Every time the knots did not bleach completely, they were still black, and I left the bleach on for 30 minutes both times, so the knots really didn't turn like that. So that was kind of a bummer and a little bit of a disappointment, which led to the next problem. It made it extremely hard for me to pluck this wig. You guys can see the hairline in the beginning clip. It's super full. These are like the kind of wigs that are like my least favorite, because you have to put so much work into them when they come on like a super bulky full hairline, and then you have to try to go in and thin it out. And I have a little bit of like holes in the lace, just like really tiny holes, for me really trying to pluck the knots out. Straight hair, so of course it does straighten very easily, very nicely. The texture of it is good. You guys can see the shine and stuff on it. I did dye this hair jet black, so when you get it, it will come in like that natural brown color, but it took to the black hair color that I use really easily, so there's no issues there. Now this is a 32-inch wig, quote unquote. I'm going to show you guys really quickly where the hair falls on me, about right here. And when I measured this hair actually measures to being 28 inches, so it's not a true 32-inch wig, so that's a little bit misleading because they have it advertised as being 32 inches. Of course, this wig on somebody that is a lot shorter than me will appear a lot longer on you, so it might look like 32 inches on you, but it doesn't look like 32 inches on me. Plus, I went ahead and actually measured the hair from the root all the way to the tip, and it is indeed 28.5 inches. So as far as the density being 180, that's one thing that they did get right with this unit. So I guess in a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is that the cons of this wig outweigh the pros. The only pros that I could say is probably the lace itself, and the quality of the hair so far, just off my initial impressions. I haven't got that much shedding or tangling with the hair. It does have a little bit of flyaway hairs, especially when you go in to part the wig, so that's also something to note as well. It looks nice to the eye, but it does have a little bit of issues with it that I wish were a lot better. And then let me go ahead and tell you guys the price. So right now on the website, the wig is approximately $315. So like I said in my last video underneath the comments, sometimes when people bring light to a certain hair company that usually is not getting like traffic or business like that, they like that and then they go in and up the price, which I don't think that they should do that, but it happens. So that's why I like to tell you guys, especially for the hair companies on Amazon, what the current price is on there. So it's, like I said, $315 right now. Not to take away from any of the good that I said about this hair, it's nice and full. The lace is flawless, no issues there, not a whole lot of shedding. So those are some things that are good about the hair that you could take into consideration if you are considering buying this unit. I will leave their link down below because they did go ahead and send me the direct link to their Amazon store page. They offer other wigs in there. I didn't really check out too much of what else they offer, but this is what they sent me, so this is what I'm giving you guys my opinion about. Like seeing these Amazon hair reviews, make sure that you guys give these videos a thumbs up so I know that you guys want me to keep rolling them out for you guys. I did purchase some hair off Amazon myself, so I'll do like a mixture. You know, some Amazon hair companies reach out to me, I'll definitely accept it and review it for you guys, but I have been buying hair on Amazon lately, so I will have more of these videos coming, just of different units, different textures, different hair companies, so that you guys can see the different types of like you know, wigs and virgin hair options, human hair options that are available on Amazon. You can get the prime shipping. It's going to come like very quick. It's good for, Amazon is good for if you need something, I won't say cheap because everyone thinks everything on Amazon is cheap, especially hair, but sometimes cheap and good quality don't go together in the same sentence. If you need something just kind of quick, temporary, that would be another reason why I would suggest getting hair off Amazon, because you can get it quickly. If you just want to practice on wigs before you buy, like before you invest in a more expensive wig, that will be a great option to utilize buying hair off Amazon. So there's a number of reasons of why I think getting hair off Amazon is good. Sometimes you're going to be a hit or miss. That just kind of what comes with the territory. But I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.